Hi guys, welcome to another. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing not War Thunder, playing Crazy, and we have another tutorial. Today we have the F4W, the Vought F4U Corsair. He always said that for funny. So this aircraft served the United States of America during World War II and served in the Korean War, I think. I don't know. And it was actually created. Well, not actually created for. I don't know why it was created. Obviously to protect the United States. It mostly fought Zeros, I believe, but it fought other fighters. This naval aircraft is the icon for today's tutorial.
Oh yeah, yeah, say something, bro?
Yeah.
I always say Crosshair instead of Corsair. That's one thing about
Yeah,
me.
my friend tends to mess up the word Corsair and says Crosshair instead.
Yeah, that's why I named my Japanese FW Corsair.
If you want to, you can paint this however you like, but if you do want that type of blue, I gave this tutorial, this Corsair. It will be given out later on in the tutorial when painting.
Yeah.
It's a darkish color, not really vibrant.
Show them the color code.
The color code is going to be revealed later on in the video when the aircraft is actually finished.
Let me just tell y'all it. It's 03555.
I don't think they can hear you very well though.
Oh yeah, makes sense. Let me just show you what it looks like first, if y'all can hear me. This is it. If you didn't believe me, this is what it looks like.
Also, y'all aren't getting a tutorial for this guy. I don't know if he wants to make a tutorial for that one.
Shockwave Airlines!
Shockwave Airlines, indeed.
Yeah, it's pretty much. I just wanted to make an airliner, so I just decided to mess around and just make this.
So we have the main base of said aircraft done. Now we just need this one block and a delta wing 1x2. Delta wing 1x2. And delta wing 1x2. And go to control surfaces. And do control surfaces 1x2. We obviously, and to finish it off before painting, we can get the pyramid. And I'm going to go for a double life kind of paint style. So,
Half German. Half German there, kid.
So I'm probably going to go for a Japanese paint.
Oh yeah, bro, I actually might be the first one to do this tomorrow, but who knows?
I swear, if someone says it's a tutorial, I'm gonna be so mad. Like, you can't just blame someone for making a mini Corsair.
Yeah. I swear. And no one will ever call the Shockwave Airlines a tutorial. That is never a tutorial. I will never be making a tutorial since I do not want to rebuild that thing. since it can stay how it is.
So
Okay, I might
now
give it a
you
paint
just
job.
need the landing gear to be added and disable steering on the ones on the wing. And you'll have a finished Vought F4U Corsair.
I'll see ya, everyone. Have a nice night.
Or day. Or afternoon. Or morning. Whatever time
Depends on time,
you're watching this, have a good time.